Hi guys, welcome back to the fish room. So today we have a double unboxing, which is our biggest and by far most expensive unboxing yet. So we'll start with the less expensive fish first and leave the best for last. So in here we have some Emerald Eye Rasbora. Never kept these before, wanted to try them out, see if we can get them breeding. Quite big actually. That's the other bag. Yeah, they're a good size. Nice black dorsal fin. So this order's from a place in the UK called Abyss Aquatics. I'm really happy with the way they're looking so far. These are Line Rasbora, there's 3 of them. We already have these in the fish room, but we lost a couple after the last shipping from a different place. So we wanted some more numbers of those. These are the spotted blue eye rainbowfish. My partner's really enjoying rainbowfish right now. She's managed to get our Celebes rainbowfish breeding, and
after many failed attempts.
After a few failed attempts, and we actually have some fry now. So, and we have neon red rainbowfish. So we've got pretty much all the dwarf rainbowfish almost now. Should be 8, I think. I'll have to double check that. I don't think there is. And lastly, we have another Danio. This is a dwarf spotted Danio. Never kept these. Nice and healthy, nice and large. Can't really see through the bag. We'll have to get them in the tank, acclimated, and show you what they look like. So on to the next box 2. And for our second best part of the unboxing, this is from Tropico again in the UK. These ones set us back a lot of money, but they have been on our bucket list for a long time. I haven't looked at these yet. And an empty bag.
No, they're in the corners. They hide.
Let's try and look carefully. Yeah, empty bag. Where is it?
I can see him.
Okay, let's try another bag. That's one of them anyway. Keep the suspense going.
He's right there, look.
Hold on.
In the corner.
Here we go. This one's. Zebra Plecos. Definitely been on our bucket list for a long time. Need to get them in the tank ASAP. We've got a special tank set up for them in the hallway, which was previously our disaster tank. You can't really see the bags. Oh, there we go. Oh, the bags in the way. Yeah, they'll look better when we get them in the tank. It's free.
Outside.
Yeah, 4. And 5. Yeah, let's get them in the tank and show you what they look like in the tank. Can't wait. How do you feel about them, babe?
Super excited.
Okay, let's get everything in the tanks acclimated and show you how they look in the tanks. So we've got the Zebra Plecos all acclimated, and we're about to release 3 of them and then start acclimating the other 2. This is their new home. This was previously our worst aquarium in the fish room / house. The other residents are the fork-tail rainbowfish. So this will be Zebra Plecos and fork-tail rainbowfish tank. Nice few caves. So, do you want us to release the first one, maybe?
If he wants to get off the bag.
Here we go. And there he is. Check that out. That is stunning. We go in the caves and we'll never see him again, but hopefully. Number 2. And you ready?
I was hoping to come. Where is he? Oh, there. Come on. Oh.
Doesn't want to come up. There he is at the top. If you slowly lift the bag out, it should slide down.
Where is it?
Doesn't want to let go of that bag, does it? Oh, there we go.
Oh, that's so sick.
Next one.
Top there. He's right in the corner. In the corner. Come on.
Try lifting the bag out of the...
Oh, there he is. I thought he was
There
stopped.
we go. Wow. Alright, let's sort the other 2 out now then. Alright, back in a sec, folks. So here we have our dwarf spotted Danios. They're in with our CPDs at the minute. We only could manage to acquire 5 of these. Seems to be quite hard to get hold of in the UK. I'll give them a few weeks and then I'll probably go up with our other Danios up here in a holding tank so we get ready to breed, well, attempt to breed them. The Emerald Eye Rasbora is also known as the Eyespot Rasbora are in their quarantine tank for now. They're looking really nice. I was surprised how large these came in. I was expecting them a lot smaller. They seem to be a very tight schooling fish, but it could just be because they've been through transit and they're quite scared right now. So we'll see how that goes in the next few days, see if they are a tight schooler like they seem to be. But really enjoying them. They're a bit underrated, I guess. They're a little bit bland for a lot of people, but we've never had them before, so I find them quite interesting already. Yeah, and hopefully with the size they're at, we'll be able to breed them quite soon. Fingers crossed. These are the red neon blue-eye rainbowfish and the spotted blue-eye rainbowfish in their quarantine tank. A couple of them look a little bit dodge, a little bit of a bent spine on one there. There's one at the back that looks like a bit of a belly swimmer. They don't look particularly nice right now, but I was expecting this. They will colour up hopefully soon and look absolutely stunning. So that's them. The 5 zebra plecos are nowhere to be seen, but we were expecting this. I should think they'll take a while before they start coming out, and that's them not around. So anyway, that brings us to the end of our video, guys. Really appreciate you watching, and if you like the vid, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and we will see you soon.
And as always, thank you for your continued support. Bye.